Akubo babingelela bonke abasibukelile namhlanje to our live video. Siyabulisa kakhulu egameni kaJesu Kristu waseNazaretha. We believe ukuthi lana sibukele khona nisibukele endaweni ezahlukahlukene and futhi siyanibingelela la enisibukele khona egameni kaJesu. Kukumbonga kakhulu ke uNkulunkulu ukuba sonke sizohlangana kule live video. Ukuba sizokhuluma ngesihloko esithi amandla omthandazo. Le ndaba yamandla omthandazo indaba ebaluleke kakhulu ngoba indaba eyisisekelo somzalwane. Umzalwane isisekelo sakhe nomuntu nje isiqu sakhe umuntu isisekelo sakhe umthandazo. So uma ngabe umuntu eke wabaleka emthandazweni ubaleke engxabini zakhe ubaleke kupetrol wakhe futhi ubaleke entweni ezombooster because umthandazo is the one thing ekhona ukubooster umuntu. So ngifisa namhlanje ke ebusuku before silale sikhulume phansi kwesihloko esithi the power of prayer. Amandla ke omthandazo ke esikhathini esiningi iwona asiza impilo yomuntu. Amandla omthandazo iwona akhona ukushintsha isimo somuntu. So njengoba ngi-live namhlanje la ngi-live ukuze sizokhuluma phansi kwesihloko esithi the power of prayer. When we are talking about the power of prayer, we are talking about amandla aguqula isimo somuntu, amandla ashintsha isimo somuntu, amandla aguqula impilo yomzalwane. Umthandazo iwona okhulisa impilo yomzalwane, ukukholwa komzalwane kukhuliswa amandla umthandazo. So umthandazo wakho uma bungenamandla, umthandazo wakho kuzokhona ukushintsha izimo. Uma ngabe umthandazo wakho ungenawo amandla, angeke umthandazo wakho ukhona ukuguqula ama problems. What I'm trying to tell you tonight ukuthi amandla omthandazo iwona aguqula isimo somzalwane, iwona aguqula isimo somuntu, iwona ashintsha isimo somuntu la khona. So iBhayibheli lithi masifunda kuloku Acts izenzo 12 uverse number 1 to 13. iBhayibheli lama ngilifunda lithi there was a man ekade ibizwa ngokuthiwa uPetro. Lithi iBhayibheli uPetro wayekade eyindoda ebikade kuyindoda ebikade imthanda uNkulunkulu futhi imsebenzele uNkulunkulu. One time uHerod wathumela abantu kuba beyobamba uPetro bemfaka ejele. Mind you, uPetro wayekade elida ibandla. Lithi iBhayibheli eseboshiwe uPetro esejele ibandla. Lithi number 1 belimkhulekela, number 1 ngesineke, number 1 lamkhulekela ngesineke, number 2 lahlangana. That means uma ibandla lihlangana, lamandla omthandazo webandla iwona amandla akhona ukukhulula uPetro. Lithi iBhayibheli kwathi ngelilanga ebusuku phakathi nobusuku uNkulunkulu wathuma ingilosi, wathi kule ngilosi mayihambe ifike iyokhipha uPetro. Mind you, uma ngabe uPetro elele esejele, yes naye wayezokhulekela ngowe, but amandla omthandazo webandla ebelimkhulekela iwona anyakazisi uNkulunkulu waze wathumela ingilosi ukuba ihambe iyokhulula uPetro ejele. Baba lapha ngalesikhathi uPetro eseboshiwe esejele, lithi iBhayibheli kwakumnyama ejele. Lithi iBhayibheli mangilifunda kwathi makufika ingilosi kwakhanya kwathi ba, kodwa kusiyama. Lithi iBhayibheli makukhanya ukuthi ba, lithi iBhayibheli yathi mayimthinta ohlangothini, lithi iBhayibheli amaketanga yembophile azehlela automatically ngoba ingilosi besifike nokukhaya. Ingilosi ayikaze amaketanga ize wanqamule kodwa kwadinga ukuthi imthinte uPetro bese amaketanga yehla. So kunezinto empilweni yakho njengomuntu okumele zenzeke because of wathandaza. Ukhona abantu impilo zabo ezingaye phambili because of ukulekho umthandazo. Uma sikhuluma ngomthandazo sikhuluma ne-communication between umuntu noNkulunkulu. Ayikho enye communication between umuntu noNkulunkulu ngaphandle komthandazo. So umthandazo iwona oshintsha isimo somuntu, umthandazo iwona oguqula isimo somuntu, umthandazo iwona oshintsha isimo sakho no matter ngabe isimo besinzima kanjani. But once wathandaza kuba khona izimo eziguqukayo, once wathandaza kuba khona ama-miracles awenzekayo, once wathandaza kuba khona izibopho ezivalekile ezivulekayo. Into eyenza ukuthi izibopho zivuleke akusikho ukuthi wena wazi kakhulu kodwa is a power of prayer, amandla omthandazo. And the power power of prayer can break every yoke, and the power of prayer can break every situation. A power of prayer can break each and every yoke, each and every chain, each and every cases asuke eboshiwe phezulu kwakho. Amandla omthandazo afika guqule lokho afika nqamule. No matter ngabe empilweni yakho waqalekisa usasewuswane, kodwa wena amandla omthandazo efika kuwena afika nqamule. Let me tell you tonight ukuthi kunokwenzeka isimo sakho besinzima, kunokwenzeka ama problems wakho bekade nzima, but I want to declare to you ukuthi if you can pray, I'm always telling people ukuthi if there is a man to pray, then there is a God to answer. If there is a man to pray, then there is a God to answer. Akwazi ukuthi kube khona umuntu othandazayo bese uNkulunkulu engasaphenduli. The only thing that you must do is a prayer. You must pray. So mabe umuntu othandazayo ukho amandla okuthandaza, mase uthandaza akhona ukuthi kena eguqule isimo somuntu wakini oseThekwini la useJohannesburg. Amandla omkhuleko mayesefikile empilweni yakho afike ekwenze ube ngumuntu owembatha umlilo. Even nama devil worshippers, even nama demon awasondeli kalula kuwena, because of you are the person who is having a power of prayer. And umzalwane ongathandazi ukukhola kwakhe kuyaphansi. Umzalwane ongakhuleki impilo yakhe ayiphambili. Umzalwane ongakhuleki kuyenzeka ungakhuleki ucabanga ukuthi into zakho ziyalunga mawungathandazanga, kanti there is a time empilweni esifikayo lapho khona ukudinga ukuthi kumele usustain amandla omthandazo wakho. Kuyenzeka kwesinye isikhathi empilweni ufike izimo zikuhlasela, izimo ungasakwazi ngisho ukuthandaza, kanti lamandla omthandazo mangabe ekhulile kuwena emaningi akwenza ukuthi isimo sithi sikhona bekuza uthandaza, bemangala ukuthi yini ekwenza ukuthi ukhuleke, kanti ke isimo sakho sikanjena. It is because of kena the power of prayer iphila ngaphakathi kwakho. Number 2 engifuna ukusho futhi, umkhuleko awufeykhwa. Amphinde kusho lokho, umkhuleko awufeykhwa. Uma ngabe uthandaza you can't fake a prayer, and you can't fake a prayer life. There are people abathandaza because of kena umuntu uzwe umakhelwane ethandaza and naye bese yathandaza. You can't fake a prayer life. Number 2, when you are praying, uza njengoba unjalo kuNkulunkulu, awuzifihli. For the example, umuza kuNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ungubaba wethu osezulwini. You come to the Lord ngendlela oyiyo, usho ukuthi baba yimi usibanibani, nginjengoba nginje. So abantu abaningi the problem yabo ukuthi umthandazo abayawufake. The only thing abayenza they fake umthandazo. And umthandazo engifuna ukusho, umthandazo you can't fake umthandazo, because umthandazo usuke ukukhuluma nobaba wakho osezulwini. And number 2, number 3, uma uthandaza, you must always include izwi likaNkulunkulu. Uma uthandaza, you must always make uNkulunkulu ukuthi I remember izethembiso zakhe azisho ezwini lakhe. So when a person is praying, usuke ekhuluma nobaba. So ubaba uyamkhumbuza ukuthi wena Nkosi uthe ezwini lakho. Mubi umthandazo ongenalo izwi likaNkulunkulu phakathi. And again, izinto zimbili, izinto ezinyakazisa uNkulunkulu esezulwini esehlalweni sakhe sobukhosi. Number 1, it's a worship. Number 2, ukumkhumbuza ngezwi lakhe. uNkulunkulu izwi lakhe uyahlonipha, uNkulunkulu izwi lakhe uyalilandela. So ngiqonda ukuthi when you are praying, a prayer that you are doing, it must be a prayer enezwi likaNkulunkulu phakathi. I hope ukhona bang-understandayo. So le ndaba yomthandazo indaba ebalekile and indaba ekufuna ukuthi sigxile kuyona, because umthandazo iwona okusastina phezulu kwezimo. Bemangala ukuthi kungani ungashoni phansi, kanti you are being sustained by the prayer. So uma ngabe sewuthandazile futhi, you must know ukuthi there is an answer after a prayer. You can't pray and prayer yakho ingasabi futhi nayo i-answer. So umthandazo ke uwona futhi ophinde ukhulise impilo yakho yokukholwa. Kukhona abanye abantu abangasindiswa today and ngena ngoDecember umbone esekhuleka with tongues, bese ucabanga ukuthi uzenza ngcono, kanti ingoba le mpilo yakhe yokukholwa, impilo yakhe yokukholwa uyivuselela noma uyivuthisa ngomthandazo. Awuveli uJesu memukele kuphela bese uyahlala, but uyaqhubeka ungene kwi-prayer life, ungene empilweni yakho yokuthandaza, because a prayer must be a habit. A prayer must become a habit to you. Umkhulu komele udle wona, uphefumule wona umthandazo. Bebathe abantu bayakhala ngapha nangapha, wena bekuze ububula uthandaza, ngoba le mpilo yakho yokuthandaza isiyokhele ngaphakathi kwakho, sewuhleli kuyo, nayo seyihleli kuwena. So manje ke in our days we are having people abane lack of prayer. We are having people abashumayela kakhulu kodwa bengathandazi kakhulu. We are having people abathandaza kakhulu emasontweni kodwa ekhaya kathandazi. We are having people abakhuleka kakhulu mayenebandla kodwa endlini akathandazi. So lento yokuthandaza awuyigcini esontweni, lento yokukhuleka awuyigcini ebandleni, but lento yokukhuleka uhlala uyenza. Lento yokukhuleka iyona ongasuki kuyona. Uma ngabe uthandaza, the only thing that can wait for you in the gate of your success must be your prayer. Umthandazo yiwona ozokulinda esangweni lempumelelo yakho. And again, when we are talking about into futhi ekhona ukukuvikela ulele wena ungathi abathakathi bevuka ebusuku bebiza igama lakho, it's a prayer. Because a prayer iyona eyenza ukuthi noma sewuya ekufeni abantu sebehlangene ngegama lakho bathi sesiyambulala, umthandazo wakho uhlezi ukukhulu kufika uphebeze. So a person who prays, it's a person okhona ukuwina izimpi zakhe. Abantu abaningi izimpi zabo abayiwini because of umthandazo abanawo. Abantu abaningi abayiwini izimpi zabo because of umthandazo bayalekha kuwona. The only thing that can make ukuthi efamily yakho kube khona umehluko, it's a prayer. Because a prayer iyona eshintsha isimo somuntu, a prayer iyona futhi eba yisisekelo somuntu. So even if noma you are having problems, you are having rejection, you must know the only thing that you can trust must be your prayer. Because a prayer iyona ekhona ukuthi ivuthise isikhuni ebesilothile. So when we talk about the prayer, we're talking about something that's great, something that can sustain you. So in our days here, we are having people abane lack of prayer. They have a lack of prayer. Abanye bathandaza mabese emasontweni, abathandazi mabese ekhaya. Abanye fasting uyibamba makusho umfundisi ayibambi yena. So umthandazo ke siya recharge kuwo. Umthandazo uyiwona esi-recharge kuwona. So I don't know ukuthi ke uma ngabe wena u-recharge kuphi, but the only thing that you can trust ekurechargeni kwakho must be prayer. So umuntu ke ongathandazi noma umzalwane ongakhuleki, umzalwane onezindaba, ave khulumela safuthi umuntu ongathandazi. Umuntu ongathandazi izimo mazimshaya akatshela uNkulunkulu, vela ahambe uyotshela omakhelwane. So this thing of a prayer, it must be something efuneke silwe nayo ukuthi ke na siyenze, because iyona esustaining. So even tonight before we sleep, I must tell you ukuthi hamba uvuse i-altar lakho. I-altar lakho malivuke, i-altar lakho livuse, yiba nendawo yakho yokuthandaza. Have a time la ukhuleka khona, yiba nesikhathi la othandaza khona. Even if you are having problems, even if you are having a situation, asithandazi ngoba kuhamba kahle, kodwa sikhuleka noma sibona kubheda, noma sibona ukuthi manje kubuhlungu, kodwa siyathandaza. Futhi asithandazi masithola amamiliyoni, kodwa sithandaza noma isimo sisibi, noma kumnandi siyaqhubeka sithandaza. So this thing of a prayer must become your life. Prayer must become a habit to you. Mele be umkhuba wakho ukuthandaza, mele be impilo yakho ukuthandaza. Ngoba umuntu othandazayo amadimoni awamelani naye. Ingakho sithi kugcwele abazalwane emabandleni abavusa abafundisi ebusuku, umfundisi alele umvuse, uthi mfundisi ngiyagula. Umfundisi yena alele ufuna avuka kukhulekele. kanti uma umuntu othandazayo uyakhuleka uthi, you devil, this is the temple of the Lord. You spirit of sickness, I command you to leave, because you are the person who is a prayerful. So you must be a prayer warrior if you want to conquer, if you want to overcome devils. So now I have to pray for people. Today abathi thina amandla okuthandaza seyaphela, amandla okukhuleka seyaphela. So you must take this number and WhatsApp me and pray with me. Uthi, I need this power of prayer abuye phezu kwempilo yami. I need this power of prayer abuye phezu kwesimo sami. As I'm closing now, let me close by this. Uma umkhona umuntu othandazayo, ukhona uNkulunkulu ophendulayo. Kodwa mangekho othandazile, akekho uNkulunkulu ozophendula. You won't get an answer ungathandazanga. Even tonight, I'm asking you, go and pray. Revive your altar. Your altar must be revived in Jesus' name. So I'm closing now. So as much as I was delivering this message, I want people abazothandaza, people abazothi mina my prayer life bekade sifile. I know ukuthi ngangithandaza before, but amandla okukhuleka saphelile. I want to pray with you. I want to pray with you today. So you must take this number that is on the screen and WhatsApp me. There I will pray for you. I will pray with you that may God revive the power of prayer to you. So ladies and gentlemen, namhlanje ebusuku before silaleli lokho kade nginakho ukuthi we must revive the life of prayer. We must revive our altars. uPetru kwadinga ukuthi aphume ejele because of the power of prayer. So now if the power of prayer is in you, everything that you are praying for, everything that you need from the Lord is okwenzeka because of the power of prayer ikhona kuwena. Sengiyavala ke manje so bangivala bekuleli izwi namhlanje before sitambama silale ukuthi you must revive the power of prayer kuwena. Shalom and shalom.